Hello, in this video, I'll be demonstrating how to use the Common Time Scheduler in Snug Scheduler to decide on the best time to meet for a group project. Here is the scenario. A student has been assigned with 5 other people for a group project during spring break. He estimates that they will need to meet for at least 4 hours to complete the assignment. He wants to arrange several meetings throughout the week so that they can meet for a total of 4 hours to complete the project. He also wants as many people to be at all the meetings as possible. Before leaving school, the student collects information on everybody's availability for the week. Here is an example of what the availability for one of the students looks like. And here are the complete availability times for all the students. Let's get started. We'll go to snugscheduler.com and under the Explore tab, select the Common Time Scheduler because we are trying to find a common time to conduct a meeting. First, select our date and time ranges, and we also make sure to select the entire time range as applicable by right-clicking and pressing on Select All. Then, we'll add a new slot for the first student, Abigail. Here, we'll fill in the availability information from before. And we'll do the same thing for all the other students. Now, we can run the scheduler. The Common Time Scheduler provides an availability grid. The slot of the grid is a white color if there are no people available in that slot, and it gets a progressively darker green color the more people that are available. We can choose the slots with the darkest green colors to pick the slots with the most available people. You can try the Common Time Scheduler yourself right now. Start scheduling over at snugscheduler.com.